Hey everyone, John from Caster Systems here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to calibrate the compass of your CTL 2000 or smart installation tool. So first of all, of course, you want to connect the battery, and it's going to go through its boot up procedure here with the battery LED in green. And when it's finished, the compass LED is going to flash or blink in red. And so the best way to think about this is as if the smart installation tool is a cube and you need to place it on each surface of the cube for about 1 second to allow it to calibrate. So I'm going to rotate it through each surface, and I realize that it's not actually cube shaped, so it may not sit flat on some of those surfaces, so you're just going to have to hold it in place. And there you go, the compass LED is now green. So what do you do if you don't have a table? Well, let me show you another method, and that is to basically use your palm as a makeshift table, if you like. So I just need to reboot it to make it lose calibration again, and we'll wait for it to boot up. Okay, so what you want to do is just put your palm like that and hold it. Again, the same situation. Just try and hold it still on each surface for about a second. Sometimes it may not turn green immediately, in which case you can just repeat the steps. And that usually gets it to turn green. So there you have it. Hopefully you learned something, and that's very helpful. If it was, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thank you very much.